are back. Yes, the Scouts all gather at the Jamboree. Now, David, around about this time, normally, well, you deliver. And tonight, I think you're going to be delivering something special.
It is. It's a special delivery tonight because I'm dealing with the word midwife. And it's apropos of a question that someone asked me a few weeks ago. What do you call a male midwife? Now, I thought this was a joke or a riddle, but then I realised it's actually a very serious question because doctor and nurse are a unisex term, but so is midwife, and yet it has a very strong female bias in the title. However, what's interesting about midwife, if you sort of dismantle the pieces, the word wife actually comes from W-Y-F, whiff, which is Old English for woman, not necessarily a spouse. But because midwife, who is that person that helps with the delivery of a child, essentially is the middle woman, what about if it was a male person that helped out in that role? Are they a midwife? One way around this problem is that the whole area is called obstetrics. And obstetrics is a fantastic word because it comes from literally Latin, one who stands opposite. It's where we get the word obstacle because it's something that is in between you and your goal. So it's a person who is standing opposite you to help with that delivery. So you could actually say midwife, to avoid that sort of problem of the gender, is an obstetric nurse, which is one way around the problem. But the other way around this obstacle, if you like, is the French solution, because the French have a beautiful word, accoucheur. Now that's A-C-C-O-U-C-H-E-U-R, and it is literally one who helps you when you are lying down. I mean, that's how you conceive of it, if you excuse the pun. And it's where we get the word couch, because that is where you lie down. And if there are any nursing mums out there currently lying on the couch with their blessings, watching the show, we wish you the very best. And I must ask you, have you sent a thank you card to your midwife, male or female?
Gender clarification and word clarification too. Thank you, David.
Pleasure.
Let's have a look at those very close scores. Tina, 13. Catherine, just 1 point ahead on 14 as we head for some more letters. And Catherine, your choice.
I'll start with a consonant.
Thanks, Catherine.
S. Another consonant.
B.
Another one.
S.
A vowel. A. Another vowel.
E.
A consonant.
L.
Another consonant.
P.
A vowel.
O.
And I'll finish with a consonant.
And last letter, T.
Thanks, Lily. Great start to the mix. Well, Catherine, I thought we actually might have to double the scores because we had SBS at the beginning of the mix, a special bonus mix, but unfortunately maybe not. But how many did you get?
I had a 7.
7 for you, Tina?
A 7 also.
Let's start there.
Stables.
And yours, Catherine?
I had stables as well.
Would you just verify? The stables are there, but the horse hasn't bolted.
Not at all. No, they're very good 7s. Now, Catherine, moving into the area of teaching divinity, I'm sure you will teach about the 12 apostles. I just wish you could score 12 points for apostles. Those are the disciples of Christ, and it comes from the Greek word apostolos, which is one who is sent away.
Nice words. Good scores. Tina and Catherine, 7 each. More letters, this time, Tina, from you.
Thank you. May I start with a consonant again, please?
You may. Thanks, Tina. N.
A second one.
M.
And a third.
B.
And a fourth.
R.
Now I'd like a vowel.
I.
And a second vowel.
A.
And a third vowel.
E.
And a consonant, please.
S.
And I'll finish with a vowel.
And last letter, U.
Thanks, Lily. Here's the clock. time, Tina?
A 7 for me, thank you.
And Catherine?
A 7 as well.
Let's begin with yours.
Well, I had to have it. Numbers.
Very good, Tina.
And the same.
Numbers for you as well. If you would once again verify. I don't know whether you're going to be happy with that, David. Too many
No.
numbers over here.
No, not happy with numbers at all. I wish I didn't have to give any points, and I suppose I need to get 7 to both of you. Well done. And just in a sort of letters revenge, I found a full Monty, Richard.
Oh, great stuff. Well done. What was it?
Well, I saw urbanise, which is to convert into a city, but even better than urbanise, submarine.
Fantastic. Wonderful work. Now, you realise, of course, although we're not meant to mention this at all, that's a full Monty last night, that's a full Monty tonight, and who cares whether it's a full Monty tomorrow night?
Just like a submarine. Let's run silent and run deep.
The pressure's on. Well done, David. Well done to Tina and Catherine as well. 7 points each. Well, Catherine, you came up with numbers as a word. Now you've got to deal with the real thing. What combination would you like?
Well, I've got 3 small children, so I'd like my family with a bit of help, please. 3 small and 3 large.
I like it. Thanks, Catherine. 3 small and 3 large. And starting with the smalls, 6, 10, 1, and the 3 large, 100, 75, and 50. The target to reach is 118.
Let's head there. How did you go with the real numbers?
I was 1 off.
1 off with
117.
117. That's good work, Tina.
I got 118.
You were spot on. Take us through what you did, please.
100.
100.
Sorry, 50 from 75 is 25.
So 75 minus 50 is 25.
Add the 25 to the 100.
125.
Add 6 plus 1 makes 7.
6 plus 1 is 7.
Take that away from 125 is 118.
It is 18.
That is a great result. Right on the target number. Well done, Tina. What did you think, Lily?
I thought it was great. I used the same method.
Excellent approach, and 10 big points as a result for Tina. So Catherine is on 28 now, and Tina is on 37 as we head into another break. And another word mix for you. This time, had noise. With the clue, a sticky solution. Back in a while.